here we are basically talking about therapeutic interventions. And someone mentioned, for example, the status of a woman in the IPC who is still given agencies and abortion outside the MPP Act. Maybe one of the things that legal intervention can do is also violations can be actual violations, can also be generic. Violations can be potential violations. And if we know that this has been there for such a long time, and there are women's groups, and I know that we've been speaking, and lawyers collectively have been speaking about it, why haven't we done something to address this and change it? Maybe not at the law courts, but at the law, at the level of the ministry. I think anyone would be sympathetic to a woman having abortion decriminalized as far as she is concerned because of potential misuse. If you talk about interventions, let's also anticipate and prevent and look at cases where you can prevent violations from happening, and that would also be a legal intervention. This could only be done by partnerships and networking. And I know you're two network entities, maybe you need to scale your network a little wider. You need to look at professional organizations. You do work with people one-off, but maybe it has to be a in-place network. And you keep feeding things. Like I said, when Dickinson case came up, we've been doing amendments, but we never thought of looking at it because we thought it didn't apply to the NPPM. So why talk about it? Maybe we could have addressed it without having to go to court. And it might have been done very silently, very quietly, and not even required to have that kind of resistance and encouragement. So you need to have networks, and again, we need to know what we are all doing. Someone needs to take the lead, and today we have e-platforms. So I can't give full judgments. I know sometimes I can send a full judgment thanks to friends. We need summaries, we need to know exactly what the situations are, we need to written judgments, and so everyone is involved. I know something about what happened with the mental health advocates. I don't know all of it. I need someone to make it simpler for me as a gynecologist. Of course I know about this, but I could be an advocate for what you are mentioning if I knew more about it. Because a reproductive rights advocate is a reproductive rights advocate, whether he's a gynecologist, lawyer, someone in society, whoever. So that's something new. There is a lot more we can do besides going forward. I think we need to start taking a list of those things.
And in the same way, I feel that what's happening over here is really important in terms of getting people across sectors together to talk and discuss. I feel that translation is required. A lot of translation is required. We're speaking different languages. We many times don't see the potential, in stuff that we are doing or saying, which probably lawyers, it's actually going back to what you are saying, the potentialities and the possibilities need to be considered. There are issues which we, nowadays we within courts, face, then we would like the lawyer community to sort of come in and help us, even though it may be outside the mandate which we have decided, which is reproductive rights. You know what I'm saying? So there has to be that kind of mutuality, because many times we are struggling to find lawyers in our cases to help out in cases or issues which don't necessarily fall into the arena which you have declared that you are working on. Okay, now I put all that aside and say that, like yesterday what I was thinking, that some of these cases which were presented, groundbreaking cases, setting the precedent, very, very important cases. It's good that we are listening to them and understanding them. But I was thinking that probably a package of this needs to be made for health administrators, the district program officers. Why should this have to be repeated? Every case has to be repeated and going for redressal and going for that one-shot, sort of solution. Why can't we create educational material out of this so that people who are in positions of power and authority, for instance, medical curriculum should include some of these important, cases. Public health education should contain some of this. Like what I was saying, continuing education of district program managers. next week or later, 2 weeks later, we're doing one course in the Ashika Women's Center. And I was thinking some of these things, in the legal aspects of maternal health, we're going to take in over there. So things are available, but I think we should formalize and systematize, think about it, how we can do it. Translating what we are doing, translating outputs to feed into various, spaces.
As all the amendments are being made to I was thinking of situations where sometimes the doctor may be innocent of consequences when doing an ultrasound, considering that there are fourth generation sonography and all that is happening. In fact, the mother can very easily see the child's sex if she is just observing the ultrasound being done. So how does one deal with such situations?
So in this case, 277, it may be immorality for some persons, but it is legal. So as far as this concern of homosexuality, what about the sex between women and women?
Section 377 legally, because when the law was written up in 1860, Queen Victoria said she couldn't imagine how two women could have sex with each other, so luckily women will enter. But does it mean that the cops don't try and get women into the standard? No. We've had a number of cases where lesbians have run away with each other, and the cops have tried to pin them under Section 377, but haven't been able to do it because in most cases we've caught it in time. But as far as the law is concerned, two women don't come within the body of the law.
He passes by. Anything that can identify things. I have patients coming regularly with pictures and say, Dr. could that be a boy, And I say, no, that looks like young baby boy. Go by this. So it's difficult. I know what you mean. Patients are always trying to watch the screen all the time and try to make sense of it. They try and heal you and trust me, let me put something on the table here very quickly. People think everyone who does prenatal sex determination is a bad doctor. There are very bad doctors out there, and I say they have a percentage who do it because it makes them a lot of money. A majority of people who do it, and this is a fact, do it because they have this misconceived notion that they are helping the woman. And maybe they are, because the justification will be, I know this family forever, they are a wonderful family, they have to do it. I need to help them out. So you do have that situation. We also have a situation today where whether you like it or not, and the activists don't like it when I say that, where urban women, exactly the woman who was opinion and sex determination, wants to paint the room blue or pink or white blue or pink, and it's ridiculous, but that's a fact. So we need to be very careful, and we need to obviously think about if a doctor does a termination in good faith, and the MPT Act as it stands today doesn't even talk about the MPT, and the MPT Act as it stands today doesn't talk about abortion. I think they will catch him on another technicality. It has been done. When you know a doctor has done a PNPT violation, you can't catch him on PNPT, but you will catch him on an MPT violation and get him into trouble there, but not on PNPT.
Potential violations, because that's something that has created a lot of angst with many of us, especially working in the area we're working in. HIV prevention is a big area where this is a huge problem. The combination of working with men who have sex with men, because most of these men are married. And recently it's very upsetting because, for example, I knew this man who was having sex with other men. His family came and spoke to me. Small business people, they said, we don't care, our son cannot meet you. I knew the boy was positive. He goes and gets married. He has a child. And I get a phone call in the middle of the night of this girl crying, sobbing, saying, "Aapko pata tha, mujhe kyun nahi bataya?" So it's a big issue. How does one even get into this? I don't know. Can we do anything? Listen, also there is this whole issue of being politically incorrect with people we work with. I'm going to really put myself out there here, or I'm putting myself on the line here. Because I know one of the reasons we went to court, because we wanted to do community building, because the pressure on men to get married is immense. Men having sex with men get married because there is a cultural requirement to get married. Secondly, who is going to look after me in my old age when no other man is looking at me? what am I going to do? Who's going to look after my parents? Who will continue the family name? These are the reasons why a lot of men are getting married. And I'm sorry, as a woman, that upsets me no end. I think the rights of women are being violated left, right and center. The problem is, I know of women whose parents have known that the boy they're getting their daughter married to is gay. But they're still getting the daughter married to that man because okay. Then I have had gay men's parents tell me, from a poor house we have got a girl so that she will fit in and she's supposed to be grateful because she has a husband who's good. Then this other case where this man, in this case, he's married a 15-year-old girl, very traditional, happens to be from a Muslim family. That doesn't mean anything, doesn't happen anywhere else. So the girl was not getting pregnant. So they used to lock her in the house and beat her up every day. And he's telling me, मैं भी कभी 2-4 हाथ लगा देता हूँ क्योंकि उसका बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है. बच्चा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? You're not having sex with her. I don't get attracted to her. So all I'm saying is, look, in the areas we're working with, there is this whole area where I can't talk about this. I'm beginning to talk about it because I'm so angry and frustrated. So I'm talking about it in forums like this, which is getting me into a lot of trouble. But the fact remains that, listen, for God's sakes, let's look at the larger environment. So therefore, when we're talking about how do we prevent potential violations, I'm not sure we can do it. Because it's so tied into so many other issues. How are we looking at, how are we valuing women for one? How are we respecting men for another? It's so many things that come together, and you can't, and that's why it's important for larger groups to come together and work together. Because nothing is linked. It's all linked somewhere. And if we don't have larger coalitions taking up these issues, we are going to be